Hey there, it's Krissy Mireles. I hope you're having a great day today. Look, gonna do a shout out today about the importance of staging your home when you're putting your home on the market. So you guys know that, look, I've been selling real estate for over 25 years, and over the years I've learned, tips and tricks that work to get homes sold for top dollar and record time with the least amount of inconvenience to our sellers. So we're talking about staging. I thought it was interesting. Look, I went and researched and came up with a study here. This was by homestagingresource.com. They surveyed, they put 45 homes on the market, staged them, and then looked at non-staged homes, tracked it, and this is what the results were. Out of 68% of the stage homes, they actually sold for at least 9% more than their unstaged neighbors. And I'm going to let you know, guys, I truly believe that the difference sometimes in those sales and getting top dollar is staging. Now, I'm going to give you a little tip too. Want to let you know that I don't think you need to spend hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars with a professional home stager. I mean, if you've got the money and, because look, they do a fantastic job. But what I'm talking about is soft staging your home with your own things. Maybe your realtor helps you do it. Maybe you're doing it prior to showings, buyers coming through the house. So staging and soft staging can make such a difference in, just by basically decluttering the house, depersonalizing things, but going a step further, make sure that you have like all the light bulbs are working. Light is so important, that you actually open blinds when you're showing your home. Light can change the ambiance of a home drastically. Now, I'm going to let you know that when agents are showing homes, sometimes they're showing anywhere from 3 to 5 homes to more homes than that, and they're on time schedules. So they don't have time to actually stage your home like if they were showing one home on a Saturday. And not saying that all agents are willing to do that either. But look, to prep your home to put it on the market, my thoughts is you soft stage it. And not only do you declutter, depersonalize, clean, perception becomes a reality. Actually go and organize your closets, your linen closets, your garage, things of that nature. Now look, you may not be an organized person. That's okay. Look, honestly, I'm not. Come to my office, come look around sometimes. You see all kinds of stuff all over the place, but it's my cluttered madness that I work with. But look, perception becomes a reality. So let's say you're very organized. Buyers will pay more money because their perception is that your property is well maintained, and they will pay more money for it. So anyways, look, thought that this was very interesting, wanted to definitely share the information with you. Soft stage your homes, guys. Look, it'll put more money in your pocket. I'd be more than happy to help you. Call me. I'll tell you exactly what we can do or how we can help you, or things that need to be done so that you can get top dollar in your pocket at closing. And if you're thinking about buying or selling any real estate, please contact the Krissy Mireles team today. All right, guys, bringing you valuable information in your real estate transactions. Krissy Mireles. Until next time, y'all have a great one.